Okay, here's Rhea with her belly full. Saturday after a full day of kitty boot camp, lots of exposures. And it's like, who is this cat? Look at her. Hi. Look at. I've been sitting here for 5 minutes patting this little girl. Look at her. Now I know tomorrow we'll walk in and it'll be like none of this happened. We got to redo it all over again, but this is amazing. See a little scruff? Okay. Look at her. Hi, girl. She's had a big, long day. There's her sister. Oh, and the kitty. Oh, who's growling? Okay. What are you saying? You don't want you want the camera to be on you, honey? Now, if I could get a purr, it would make my night. But this is very, very cool. Where are you? Yeah. Hi. You look so cute. You sleepy? Big day of kitty boot camp? Sweet girl. Hi, sweetie.